Good morning, guys. How is everybody? I hope you all are doing well. So we will get started. Oh, I'll put this out of here. So today is Wednesday. So tomorrow must be Thursday. Nice job. And the month is April. And it is the 15th. All right, today's weather. Okay, so I was just watching the news and she said snow. There could be snow if throughout here and there these next few days. No, but today is supposed to be sunny. It is only, I think, supposed to be up to 50s today. So it's going to be another kind of cool day, just like yesterday. But snow? All right. So our current event. Very excited for this one. Definitely going to check it out. So a Disney sing-along. A Disney TV special is on TV April 16th. So tomorrow, the TV special will have many actors and singers. The actors and singers will sing songs. The songs are from Disney movies. The TV special is a sing-along too. So we get to sing along too. Maybe? There it goes. People at home can sing the songs. Words from the songs will be on the TV. People can read the words and sing. They can sing with the actors and singers. What song would you like to sing? Okay, so you guys, we got to check this out because this is our chance to sing along with Frozen, maybe, or the Aladdin songs, or I wonder if they'll have, what's the new one? I can't think. But if they'll have like Moana songs or what, I don't know, but we'll have to check it out tomorrow night. Disney sing along. How cool. Maybe. Look at. All right, so what is the TV special? Is it a cooking class, sing along, or a dance class? Well, it is a sing along. However, there could be lots of dancing, but it won't be a dance class. It is just a sing along. What will the actors and singers do? Will they eat, run, or sing? Well, if it's a sing along, are they going to eat? Are they going to run? I don't think so. They're going to be singing. All right. And what are the songs from? Are they from movies, from books, or magazines? They're from movies. They're from Disney movies. This is going to be so cool. I hope you guys check it out. Excuse me. All right. So for our choice board, I'm doing this geometry run. Matthew measures a pencil. It is 9 inches long. Then he measures it in centimeters. Will it be more or less than 9 centimeters long? Why do you think that? Okay, I'm not going to give you the answer on this. You're going to have to think about it. But I have this handy doc or image I found. Okay, they told us the pencil is 9 inches long. This is 1 inch. So it is 9 of these, okay? This is 1 centimeter. He wondered if it was 9 centimeters, would it be longer or shorter, and why? So if this is 1 centimeter and this is 1 inch, let's think. Which one's going to be longer and which one's going to be shorter? I'm going to leave it up to you guys. I'm not giving you the answer. You got this. All right. And so after yesterday, after I looked up like what national days it is, I was like, I'm curious what national days it is today. This is kind of got some goofy ones. I didn't even know such things exist. So today is National Glazed Spiral Ham Day. So have some ham, I guess. And it's National Rubber Eraser Day. Erasers, they have their own day. Very cool. And National Take a Wild Guess Day. So I'm going to take a wild guess that somebody thought it was important for erasers to have a national day for themselves. It is National Tax Day. However, parents, that's been extended because of all this craziness going on. And then National Titanic Remembrance Day. Yesterday, one of the events that I read was that the Titanic hit the iceberg yesterday. So that makes sense that today is the day that we remember the Titanic. So That's all I got for today. You guys have a great day. I hope everybody is staying healthy. Get outside because it sounds like the weather could kind of take a turn for us. So try and bundle up a little and go outside today. Have a great day. I miss you guys. Bye.